So I decided to test my newel post install. And I did fall over. It caught my fall, but I had to rectify myself.
How did you test it? Did you lean on it?
Yeah, you lean on it. You're supposed to be able to put,
And how far into your lean did you realize, oh, but no.
Couple inches.
Couple inches.
I still had my footing. Anyway.
So did you fix it, or did you just put a sign on it that
fixed it.
said do not lean on?
I fixed it.
You fixed it. So you feel like you're making progress. You're getting better.
Yeah, I cried for 5 minutes. When you cry for 5 minutes.
It's not the end of the world. You
Then I
cry for
fixed
5
it.
minutes.
Yeah.